Nicholas reporting, also known as the governor, prospective candidate for the United States Congress 2014, regarding a young Republican who pulled a petition for the United States Congress in 2014. I like to give a corporate appreciation to the office of First Lady Michelle Obama. When I stand for something, I stand for something strong. I've always stood by the United States of America. I always stood by people living the American dream. I always stood by former President George W. Bush. I've always stood by the Republican National Committee. I think we need more understanding in 21st century politics. Nicholas McGee's reporting would like to give a corporate appreciation to the office of First Lady Michelle Obama for always, replying to me. That is so special to me. It is so special to the Tennessee Republican Party. Nicholas McGee's reporting, CNN Icon of Memphis. Happy Sunday. So Nicholas McGee's reporting, CNN Our Reporter of Memphis, inspire my generation to public service here at the Amazon Fulfillment Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And look at the crowd out here. So many people out here ready to hear President Barack Obama. Yes, that's President Barack Obama to speak to the audience here in the great state of Tennessee. So President Obama, I told you I was your pit hive. CNN Our. Nicholas McGee here reporting, CNN Our Reporter of Memphis. I'm here with a group of young ladies I met here at the FedEx Forum at the Olympics. How do you feel about tonight's event, and was it inspiring to you?
Yeah, it was amazing. The most inspiring thing I've ever seen. My face will be stuck like this for a couple of days, or months, either way.
Awesome. So, what is your guys' most favorite athlete? Who's your most favorite athlete? Gabby?
Allie.
Allie?
I like Jordan.
That's cool. So what school do you guys go to? Freed-Hardeman. So, okay, Nicholas McGee's reporting, CNN Our Reporter of Memphis. And let's say, go Team USA.
Go Team